All right, so I decided to do this voiceover for you guys. Now, the first thing I do is I open up ChatGPT and I put one of the images that I wanted to use. For example, I'm saying create Chicago foe. Now, this was a character that I created. This is a person that came by our store at one point in time and became homies with one of my guys. So I wanted to capture him. I'm showing y'all how to use this ChatGPT. So he always used to talk about, his BMW a lot, and, that was one of his prized possessions. So I said, well, let me create what this character was like. You know what I'm saying? So, he was a loud dude, real friendly, pretty good-hearted guy for the most part. You know what I'm saying? And so I said, well, I'm going to make him loud, obnoxious, and I'm going to basically, say he's throwing up the fours. You know what I'm saying? So then I'm going to say he's smiling. So I'm giving a description. This is what I'm doing right now. And then I'm saying that he's standing by two black women. All right. So after I create that image, and then I put up some other different things that I think that will represent what he was looking like. So now I'm saying incorporate another image. So now it's going to create the image. Now I'm using ChatGPT just so you guys know. So I'm just going to kind of let it do its thing. It's creating the image. It's going to take a while. Because remember, I use ChatGPT in conjunction with Sora. I don't just use Sora by itself. Sometimes I might want some information. I might want to create an image because Sora doesn't allow you to take photorealistic pictures. I can't take a picture of, it knows it's a real picture. Okay, so now it's still making it. It's still rendering it. So I'm probably going to chop this little part out. So let me go. I don't want to wait in real terms. Let me just kind of move. Now I'm creating the image. It's still creating the image. It's taking some time. So I got the image. I saved that image.
Last driver board for the day.
Cool. And as you can see, I'm back in the Sora. And I'm trying to create, what I got. Trying to get it to animate. Okay, now we're at a point. So now it's creating Chicago foe. As you can see, it has a lot of the Chicago symbols. Then what I do is I open Sora back up. Okay. Now I'm going to describe the person as Sora. I've created that image. I brought Chicago foe back in. It's saying you can't use him. Now, this isn't a real picture of him. This came from Sora, but it's basically saying that I can't use that because it's a real picture. And I try to make him look like as close as what he looked like. So I'm saying recreate this image to fit Sora policy. That's what I'm going to try to do. You got to be careful with the words.
Hey, y'all hear me? On the 4, boy, got that 745 outside. Big body peanut butter seats, heat blowing like July. Y'all see it through the glass. Ooh, that's me. I slide up, windows fall, sound like a jet taking off. That's what
All right, so I went back in Sora because it would not allow me to create it in Sora. So I went back and not Sora, I'm sorry. I went back into ChatGPT and I tried to make him look like a cartoon. All right, so I made him look like a cartoon. Then I saved it. Okay, now I go back into Sora. I go back into Sora. That's another one I made. It's a couple of them you can see. So I try to create another one. I'm going to go to that in a minute. I try to edit it. And I try to add and try to create a real picture of him. But you're going to see that that didn't create what I really wanted. So I'm going to try something different. Now you see that picture on the right that I created. I'm going to use that.